My name is Mamiseheno Rasolofonirina. I participated in the fundamentals of rigorous impact evaluation of an workshop. I heard about impact evaluation before, but I have not had the opportunity to use it during my career as a semi-professional. The workshop allows me to discover the concept and the application of rigorous quantitative impact evaluation in the field of development. I have learned how to design a city to address the question of causal inference and counterfactual. I also learned quasi-experimental research designs, such as propensity score matching, regression discontinuity, and difference techniques that are used to create a valid comparison group. As a professional, these learnings will open up a wider and more exciting horizon for me. I will be able to discuss the use of quantitative impact evaluation with various commissioners to get much more impact from the intervention. By the way, these learnings help me to develop positively in my career. As for the online delivery of the workshop, even though it was intensive, I found it myself both enriching and very practical in the way that it allowed to deepen knowledge and skills regularly at a lower cost. And I'm convinced that it will improve enormously in the future with the constant innovation of digital technology. With that, thank you.